With all the different ways to use vinegar, we have done away with almost every other cleaning product in our home. When you replace your cleaning products with vinegar, you will simplify how you clean and spend significantly less money. Vinegar is organic, which means you're no longer being exposed to harmful chemicals found in other cleaning products, which attack our respiratory systems, cause allergies and fertility issues, rashes, and many other problems. The one thing they do well, however, is create a lot of money for the companies that convince you that you need them to keep a clean home. Vinegar can be used to clean windows, countertops, floors, and bathrooms, to name a few. Combining 1 part vinegar to 5 parts water in a spray bottle makes the perfect cleaning product. It's inexpensive, easily refillable, and cleans like a dream. Vinegar makes a fantastic dishwasher detergent. Combined with baking soda, vinegar gets those dishes clean and sparkling. We did away with our other laundry detergents, even ones we made ourselves using other types of soaps. Vinegar and baking soda are our only laundry detergents. Baking soda is used in place of a powdered detergent, and vinegar in place of the fabric softener. And we aren't surrounded by harmful fragrances that attach to clothing, are absorbed into our skin, and are breathed in all day, wreaking havoc on respiration. Vinegar can also be used in place of hair conditioner. The vinegar smell is washed away when it's rinsed, leaving hair silky smooth. Garden weeds cower in fear when they see that vinegar spray bottle coming, so helps treat some issues in plants. It's commonly used as an herbicide. A couple other uses for vinegar include removing rust and calcium buildups, as well as deterring ants from coming into the home. Fight the urge to buy all those pricey, harmful cleaning supplies and stick with vinegar.